Hi everyone, welcome to Threads and Fads. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process of making a string potholder. For this type of potholder, you will need a 10-inch by 10-inch frame with 15 nails on each side. The key is to have an odd number of nails on every side. If you're new to the channel, a big thanks if you subscribe and click the notification bell. Alright, let's get started with today's project. Start by selecting strings in various colors to create a colorful potholder. Choose one string as your base and make a tiny hole 2 inches from the end. Place the hole on the first nail, then loop the string alternately around each nail. When you reach the corner, tie another string for the second layer. Continue alternating the loops until all the nails are covered and the frame is filled. When you reach the last nail, make a small hole 2 inches from the end of the string like this. Now, it's time to weave the strings. Here's how to do it. Push 2 strings upward and weave the top layer over and under. Repeat the process until all the strings are woven. It should look something like this. Next, interlock the edges by crocheting using this crochet hook. Here's how to do it. First, interlock the end strings together. Then continue crocheting along the edge. When you reach the corner, be sure to interlock twice. And then, work your way along each side until you reach the end strings again. Finally, tie the end strings to create the potholder handle. And here's your finished string potholder ready for use. That's it for this episode. If you enjoyed it, hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below. See you on the next one.